Transferring money from your Huntington Bank to any other bank account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer your funds or money from your Huntington Bank account to any other bank account. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, log in and then simply click on transfers. Now, under the view with accounts at other banks, click connected accounts. Now, click the connect account button and select the account type. Now, here we are connecting any other, different type of account in which you want to get money to. Now you just have to enter what type of account it is, what is the routing number, what is the account number, confirm everything, and there you go. You just have to click on connect account button to connect. Once it is connected, you just have to verify it. Once it is verified, your accounts are connected, and now you will easily be able to transfer the funds without any problem. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.